Guys, lipat na natin guys sa aking magic bowl. Ang adobo di caldereta ala mechado.
Hi guys, John Mar here. Welcome to my channel.
So what's up guys? Ito po ang aking homemade adobo. Yan po. With passion. Life should be pleasant today and every day. Yan po. Simple homemade adobo. Yum, yum, yum. Adobo never dies. Yan po, sira po ang aking lutuan. Kaya dyan ako nagluto ng aking chicken adobo with carrots. Yan, adobong pakaldereta na guys. Mechado. Yan, chicken adobo. Mekus-mekus na yan guys. Mekus-mekus na yan guys. Mekus-mekus guys. So how are you guys? Please do not skip the ads guys. Kung hindi pa po kayo nakasubscribe, please subscribe, support, and tap the notification bell. Hina natin. Yan guys. This is my chicken adobo guys. Homemade is the best. Home cooked. Homemade. Lutong bahay is the best. Walang tatalo. Wala pa rin tatalo sa adobo. Adobo is the best. And guys, konti na lang. Bubogchi na tayo guys. Ito ang aking late lunch. Hapunan na lunch. Ayan po. Ang aking ingredients. Mamasitas, adobo recipes. Vegetables, sugar, vinegar, and soy sauce with onion and garlic. Yan po, adobo, Pinoy adobo, the best adobo in town. So how are you guys? How was your weekend guys? Have a blessed Sunday guys. Have a blessed whole week guys. Advance Merry Christmas guys. Matikman nga guys. Yan, tapos na po yan. May bay leaf pa po yan or laurel. Yan. Sarap, sakto. With ano rin po yan, red chili and pepper. Okay guys, please do not skip the ads. Have a blessed weekend guys. Have a blessed weekdays guys. Yan ang adobo ko, napamitsado na. Lagyan ko ng carrots, patatas, and repolyo or cabbage. Stay safe guys. Kita kits. guys. Lipat na natin guys sa aking magic bowl. Ang adobo di caldereta ala mechado. Yan na po ang aking adobo guys. Adobo forever. So kain na guys. Let's eat guys.